Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, welcome. My name is Loretta. In today's video I'm going to be pressing these flowers in my flower press. I purchased this from Etsy, I believe the year before last, and I have pressed some flowers in it so far, and I planned to do more this summer, but I was having some health problems with my foot, so I couldn't get out and do as much walking as I would have liked, which means, you know, I didn't stroll through the park or the forest as much. But John bought me these beautiful flowers last week. I wasn't feeling my best one day and I came home from work and these were sitting on my desk. So before they start to turn, they're still in very good condition, but I think that this is a good time to press them. So since I haven't used my press in a while, I'm very excited to use it. So I don't remember the name of the shop where I purchased it, but I will go back in my purchase history on Etsy and look for the shop, and I'll link it in the description box below. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, let's get started. So I have the bottom of the flower press here, and I'm gonna just start by putting the large screws in the bottom. So we got 6 of them here. I keep them in this little pouch. Oops. Sorry for that. Okay. Now I found that this is the best way to do it, is to get it started just like this, to put all your screws in, and then to work from it like this. So the first thing we want to do is we want to get down some cardboard, and all these pieces came with the flower press. So get that in there. Almost like you just want to assemble it. This will be the easiest way. And then I want a flat piece. And then I've already cut all my flowers, by the way. I'm going to put this down, and we're going to start with, it's okay if the paper crinkles just a little bit. I'm going to start with these. So I'm going to put this one in the middle, this one down like this, because you do want to leave a little bit of space. There we go. And then another piece of paper, parchment paper, which I've already cut into pieces. And then a piece of this. I am going to let these sit. I found that 5 to 6 weeks is the sweet spot, so that's how long I'm going to let them sit in here. It can be tricky to match them up sometimes, but and this will flatten quite a bit. So at the end, I'm going to twist these over once I put the cover on, and it's going to flatten a lot. Next, I'm going to put these ones here, which are from this pile, and I just cut the head off. And these will go face down. Another piece of parchment paper. Oh, it's curving in, so maybe this is the best way to go. Here. And then we're just kind of layering it again. So this goes on top of the corrugated cardboard. I can probably do both of these at the same time here. And you just want to make sure that this can go through the parchment paper, no problem. Just want to make sure that they're not sticking out the sides or the top. This one's kind of poking out a little, so just tuck it back in and then press this down lightly for now. Then we're going to give it a good press later. Another piece of parchment paper. I'm going to put these yellow ones in here, and then put these off to the side. Do you see how I'm filling the whole space, but yet leaving space between them? Let's put that one in there too, just because. Okay, now all I have left is these two pieces. I mean, I could cut more pieces, but I'm just gonna do these ones for now. I think that'll be fine. Let's push this down. Can actually fit, depending on how big your flowers are, you can fit quite a bit in here. So if you have something like carnations that's thicker, then you won't be able to put as much, of course, but if you have like pansies or something like that, then you can get quite a bit in. Okay, look, it's looking good so far. I'm not going to tip it because it's not tight enough. They might fall out, but I will show you after once it's pressed. I'm going to put my last piece of paper, and I'm going to put this large one on top. And once these are ready, I'm going to give them, I think I'll give them 5 weeks. Maybe I'll do 6. And then once they're ready, oh, this one's popping out quite a bit. All right, let's push that in. Oh, you know what, this one might not be the best, but I'm going to try it because I've never tried a flower that big. And you know what, it's in there, so it might just be okay. And I think that's enough for now. I think that's all we're going to fit in here, actually. And that's quite a few flowers to use in projects, so. And then once I get these out in 5 to 6 weeks, then I can put more in. Okay, so I'm going to twist this on. And then I'm going to actually leave it pretty loose and then tighten them all. Get them on first and then tighten them. Forgot how fun it is to use this. It's been a long time since I have, so I'm excited to use it. It's one of those craft things that I know I have and I haven't used, and I think about it often, and I think, oh, if I don't pick flowers from outside, then I can't use it. But you can. You can buy flowers from a flower shop, or you can, you know, even go to the grocery store. Grocery stores in Ontario have wonderful flowers here, and they're pretty reasonably priced. Some of them, it depends on the grocery store, of course. And I often buy flowers from some of the discount grocery stores and keep them in our home in a nice vase. I buy John flowers often. Okay, so they're all in. I'm going to tighten these as much as I can without cracking the wood. So we'll use a little more. And if you do have a flower press like this, you just kind of know, like you can feel when you should stop applying pressure. Like you'll just kind of be able to tell. Like this one in this corner could definitely use a lot more pressure, and this one too. This one's very loose. But just kind of keep going and turning them until it feels right. Okay, so I think we got it pretty much in there, and that's how it looks from the top and the side and the bottom. And once these are ready, when I pull them out, I will make a follow-up video so we can see how they came out. Thanks again for tuning in, and we'll see you soon. Bye-bye.